Welcome to our tutorial on swapping cell contents in Excel. In this video, we'll demonstrate a straightforward method to exchange the contents of two cells using a VBA macro, saving you time and effort. To begin, open your Excel workbook and head to the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab, you might need to enable it through Excel's options. Use the Alt plus F11 shortcut or click Visual Basic to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor, where we'll craft our macro. The VBA editor is a powerful environment that allows us to write and manage macros. It's an essential tool for automating repetitive tasks in Excel. Within the VBA editor, click Insert in the menu and then select Module. A new module will appear in the Project Explorer. Modules are essential for organizing your code and macros. Now, let's focus on writing the VBA code. We'll enter this code into the code window of our new module. This code will define the macro that swaps the contents of two selected cells. The code starts by selecting cells and then uses input boxes to allow you to specify the exact cells you want to swap. It utilizes temporary variables to hold the values during the swap process. After you've pasted the code into the module, it's crucial to save your work. Click Save in the VBA editor to ensure that your macro is stored securely within your workbook. Return to your Excel worksheet. You'll find the Swap Content macro listed when you click the Macros button in the Developer tab. Select the macro and click Run to initiate the swapping process. When prompted, you'll first select the cell containing the content you want to swap. For instance, if you want to start with cell B1, click on it to select it. After selecting the first cell, you'll be prompted to select the second cell for the swap. Choose the second cell, such as C1, to complete the selection process. Once you've selected both cells and the macro runs, observe the cells B1 and C1 to verify that their contents have been swapped. This visual confirmation helps ensure the macro has executed correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use VBA to swap the contents of two cells in Excel. This skill can greatly enhance your productivity when managing spreadsheets with a lot of data. Thanks for watching our tutorial on swapping cell contents in Excel using VBA. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides.